Today we're going to work on shading with hatching. Hatching is a type of shading where you draw lines that all go the exact same direction. Basically, the darker you want something to be, the more lines you draw, the closer together you draw them. The lighter you want something to be, the fewer lines and the lighter you draw them. Really, the only requirement is that your lines all have to go the exact same way. So in the first box, I'm going to try and draw fairly dark. You don't have to use a ruler, but if you would like to use one so you have pretty accurate lines, that is fine. And again, I'm trying to draw my lines just barely a millimeter apart, pretty close together. Now when you're doing it this way, do not make zigzags, do not make lines going in any direction you want, because as soon as a line goes any different direction, it's no longer considered hatching. Alright, so I have quite a few lines pretty close together, pretty dark looking. So that'll be my one end of the spectrum. So in each box after that, the lines have to get a little bit further apart so that they look a little bit lighter. So as I'm working my way across, I've changed the direction of my lines, but as long as all my lines in this particular box are going the same direction, I am doing hatching. Alright, pretty close. Alright, so right off the bat I can tell this one's a little bit darker than this one. And again, it doesn't matter that this one's going vertical and this one's going on a diagonal. As long as the lines in the box are all going the same direction, it is hatching. Okay, so again, dark, medium, lighter. Okay, again, getting a little bit lighter. Okay, pretty light. And then for the last one, I'm just going to do a couple lines. Alright, and I'm going to leave my last box empty. So see how this one has a lot of lines, makes it look darker, and the less and less and less as I go across, the lighter and lighter it looks. Alright, this technique again is called hatching.